Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Struggled to recall a name, a number, or even your own appointments? Maybe you left your keys somewhere, again. I know the feeling. It's frustrating, exhausting, and sometimes even embarrassing. But what if I told you that just 1 minute a day could completely transform your memory? Not in a vague, wishful thinking way, but in a real, tangible, scientifically backed way. In this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step daily exercise that strengthens your memory, improves focus, and sharpens your mind. Along the way, we'll explore how your brain works, why memory fades, and how simple habits can reverse it. Grab a notebook, a pen, and a quiet space. By the end of this session, your memory will feel sharper, your mind more alert, and your brain will thank you for the workout. Let's get started. To truly improve your memory, we need to understand how it works. Your brain stores information in neurons, which communicate through connections called synapses. Each time you remember something, these connections fire, reinforcing that memory. Over time, factors like stress, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, and constant distractions weaken these connections. That's why even small things, names, phone numbers, or keys, start slipping through the cracks. But here's the exciting part. Your brain is plastic. That means it can grow and rewire itself at any age. Even a few minutes of targeted exercise can strengthen your neural pathways. This is why our 1-minute exercise is so powerful. It stimulates your hippocampus, the brain's memory hub, encouraging growth and improving your ability to recall information. Let's reflect for a moment. Think about one thing you forgot today. Maybe a person's name, an appointment, or a task. Hold that thought in your mind. That's the starting point of change, awareness. Before we start the exercises, let's prime your brain with a short warm-up. Sit comfortably in a chair or on the floor. Close your eyes. Let's take 5 deep breaths together. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Focus on your body. Feel the tension in your shoulders, your neck, your eyes. Let it melt away. Roll your shoulders slowly. Stretch your neck gently and take another deep breath. Now, visualize a happy memory from your childhood. Imagine the colors, the sounds, even the smells. Maybe it's a holiday, a birthday, or a playful moment. Notice how detailed your memory is when you focus. This is your brain warming up, making it ready for memory training. Take a notebook and jot down one small memory you visualized. Writing activates additional neural pathways and reinforces memory. We're ready. Let's move on to the core 1-minute exercise. Now we begin the heart of this video, the 1-minute memory exercise. Step 1. Look around your room and pick 5 random objects. It could be a pen, a cup, a phone, a notebook, or even a plant. Step 2. Study each object carefully for 5 to 10 seconds. Notice its color, shape, size, and texture. Imagine touching it, smelling it, interacting with it. Step 3. Close your eyes and recall every detail in order. Say it aloud. Visualize it in your mind. Pause here if needed. Repeat this round 3 times, each with different objects. To deepen the exercise, number the objects in your mind. Imagine a silly story connecting them. For example, the pen is dancing on the cup while calling the phone. Remember, saying things aloud strengthens memory retention. You're not just seeing, you're hearing, imagining, and physically reinforcing your brain's connections. Let's do one more round together. Pick 5 new objects, study them, and recall them. Take your time. Breathe. You're rewiring your brain with every second. Next, we integrate movement. Physical activity boosts blood flow to your brain, stimulating memory areas. Let's start with cross-crawl. Touch your right elbow to your left knee. Now your left elbow to your right knee. Repeat slowly for 2 minutes, then a faster round for 1 minute. Next, finger tapping. Tap each finger to your thumb in sequence. Slow first, then faster. This coordination strengthens both hemispheres of your brain. Finally, eye tracking. Move your eyes slowly left to right, then up and down. Follow a pattern in your mind as you do it. Notice how your mind feels sharper. That's blood, oxygen and neural energy flowing through your brain. Practice each exercise for 2 to 3 minutes, taking deep breaths between them. This is not just a workout for the body, it's a workout for your mind. Now we combine memory with creativity. Storytelling enhances retention because your brain remembers narratives better than random items. Example, pick 3 objects: pen, cup, phone. Imagine a tiny pen dancing on the cup while making a call to your phone. Silly? Absolutely. Effective? Definitely. Now it's your turn. Take 5 to 7 objects from your room. Create a story linking them together. Speak it aloud, draw it in your notebook, or act it out. Let's repeat this round twice, each time with new objects. Reflect. Which objects were hardest to remember? How did you overcome it? Your brain is forming strong neural pathways with every repetition. Now we introduce the memory palace technique, a method used by memory champions. Choose a familiar location, your home, workplace, or school. Mentally place items you want to remember in specific spots. For example, keys on the sofa, notebook on the table, phone on the chair. Walk through the location in your mind and recall each item. Practice this with 5 to 10 objects. Walk slowly, visualizing every detail. This technique is perfect for remembering numbers, appointments, or sequences of information. Memory isn't just exercises, it's a lifestyle. Nutrition, omega-3s, antioxidants, magnesium-rich foods, hydration, sleep. 7 to 9 hours is crucial for memory consolidation. Stress management, meditation, walks, or deep breathing. Limit distractions and multitasking. Focus strengthens neural pathways. Combine these habits with your 1-minute daily memory exercise and you'll notice profound improvements. Real-life success stories. Jane, a student, remembered lectures without notes. Mark, a professional, recalled names and appointments effortlessly. Small wins like remembering grocery lists or phone numbers boost confidence and motivation. Your journey starts today. Commit to 1 minute a day. Integrate these habits and your memory will improve like never before. If you enjoyed this session, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Share your progress in the comments. Let's build a community of sharp minds together.